If someone walked up to your car at 2 a.m., would your camera actually catch it? Or would it just show darkness?
All right, so today I'm testing out the Aosu T2 Ultra featuring dual 4K.
And this one is different because it's actually a 2-in-1 camera system with dual 4K lenses, plus solar panel, so you don't have to deal with wiring or charging. I've been running 2 of these in my backyard and my side yard, and I also took one with me on vacation, so I could really see how it performs in different environments. Let's get into it. First off, the setup. Super easy. This is one of the easiest installs I've done. The bracket simply screws on, slide it right on the bracket, just like that. Instead of needing a perfect mounting angle, the lens themselves rotate and adjust, so you can dial in exactly where you want each view. For me, I mounted mine on the corner of my pergola in my backyard. So the wide angle camera covers the whole backyard, while the PTZ camera watches down the side yard.
That's where this gets really interesting because both cameras can monitor different areas at the same time.
So I can have one fixed view while the other one is actively moving and tracking. Inside the app, I set my default view, so the PTZ camera keeps an eye around the corner, while the wide view stays locked in my yard. And if someone walks into the frame, it can actually trigger the PTZ camera to automatically track them. Okay, now let's talk about image quality, because both these cameras are 4K resolution. And it's noticeably sharper than your typical security camera. I tested this by zooming in from a distance, and you can still clearly make out the details, even from pretty far away. Now, one of the biggest reasons I wanted this setup is the solar power. Each camera comes with a detachable solar panel, so you can mount the camera under an eave and place the panel where it gets the most sunlight. You can simply turn it in any direction, fold it in any direction, and it also comes off with an extendable cable, so you can mount it high wherever the sun is. Really handy, so you never have to charge it. And once it's set up, you honestly don't ever have to think about it again. On rainy days, it charges fast, and even on cloudy days, it still maintains battery. So there's no climbing up ladders or constantly recharging batteries. Now, let's talk about night performance, because this is where most cameras really struggle. I tested this in complete darkness and compared it to my phone camera. On my phone, basically nothing, just black. But with the ASU T2 Ultra, you have multiple night vision modes. Infrared night vision, and also full color night vision with spotlight. And the difference is huge. You can actually see the clear details at night, not just shapes. Now, something I really like is the smart detection. This camera doesn't just trigger on everything. For example, if I throw a ball across the yard, it doesn't go off. But the second a person walks through, it detects, alerts, and starts tracking. It can even recognize animals like dogs, cats, and more, which is pretty useful depending on your setup. And yes, tracking works at night too. Now, another feature that I've been using is the two-way talk. So I can hear inside of the house, open the app, and actually talk through the camera while someone outside responds.
Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Testing, testing, testing.
Super useful for deliveries or just checking in. I also tested durability a bit, and this thing is fully waterproof. I sprayed it down with water and it kept running perfectly fine. No issues at all. Inside of the app, you can connect multiple cameras and view up to 4 live feeds at once. So if you've got a front yard, backyard, and side yards, you can monitor everything in one place. You also get smart playback and timeline scrubbing. So it's very easy to go back and find events. And one of the biggest things for me, there are no monthly fees. Everything is stored locally, so you're not paying any subscriptions just to access your own footage. Now, real quick, I took one of these with me on vacation and set it up outdoors. just to see how portable it really is. Same thing, I mounted it, connected it, everything worked right away. So whether it's at your home or a temporary setup, it's super flexible. At the end of the day, this is one of those setups that just makes sense. You've got dual cameras, rotating lenses, solar power, smart tracking, clear night vision, and no monthly fees, all in one system. If you're trying to protect your home, your yard, or even your car at night, this is definitely worth checking out. And if you want to go grab one, I'll put the link in the description below. Check it out for yourself. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.